Morning everyone. So today I'm actually going to be doing a vlog, which is so exciting. I've never actually done a full day vlog before. At the moment we are in Alicante in Spain, so I've got a really nice day kind of planned, just a weekend day. I'm going to be taking Loki out, maybe to like the local beach, and then we're going to go into Alicante city centre for some dinner and stuff. So I thought I'd take you along with me just to see a normal kind of weekend day in my life. So I've just had my coffee and now we're gonna head and take this little stink to the dog park, aren't we? Loki, you wanna go to the dog park? Loki's actually really good at the dog park course, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys. He is a working Cocker Spaniel, so they're like quite easy to train in a way. Like they love to do like lots of training and tricks and stuff like that. If you don't actually like play with them in that way, they can get a little bit naughty and mischievous. So it's really important that Loki gets his like stimulation for the day, and I just thought it'd be good fun to show you guys. Are we ready to go?
We're ready to go.
Are we ready? Have we had our coffee? Not Loki though. Loki doesn't need.
Yeah.
Loki definitely doesn't need a coffee, do you, mate?
Come on then, let's go.
Let's go. Nearly forgot the treats. That would have been a bit of a disaster, I think. We would have had one very unhappy puppy, I'll tell you that. So dog park's just around the corner. We're going to have a little walk there. And then yeah, come back and have some breakfast. Oh, and you've got to sit down.
Sit.
He won't let go of his ball. That was very disobedient, Loki. Very disobedient. He's like, I'm free, Dad. I don't need a lead.
Sit down.
Loki, sit. I was just saying how obedient and how well like these dogs like to be trained all the time, but it wouldn't seem that way. Loki, cheeky monkey, ready to go. So it's about 9:30 in the morning, and it is already so hot here. This is why we have to get out early with the dog, really, because it's not fair to like walk them anytime after 11. It just gets like way too hot, so we always get up, make sure Loki gets a good bit of exercise so he's ready for his afternoon nap. Loki, are we nearly there? Yeah, are we? Oh, he's off. He knows where he's going. So here we have the little doggy assault course. How cute is this? So it's got like a little tunnel, a little starting podium, and then they can jump the hoop, up the ramp. I mean, Loki's going to show you how it's done, aren't you? Aren't you? You're going to show them how it's done. He knows where he's going, look. He's like, oh yes, here we go. Methinks it might be breakfast time. So on the weekend we like to have some pancakes, so let's go back and I'll show you how we make them, because we make kind of healthy protein pancakes with bananas. It's a really nice recipe. Oh, my camera just went whoop. It's a really nice recipe, so we'll show you in a sec. We are back, and how hot is it out there?
Pretty hot, pretty stinking hot.
It is literally so early and it's so hot already. I just don't know how, like he's like, oh. Like that's why we get out early in the day and just get a big walk in. But now it's time for breakfast. I know these like look absolutely vile. Some people would probably say they're a bit overdone, but this is exactly what you want for banana pancakes. So you want the bananas to be quite overripe, because this is where you get like all the sweetness. You don't have to add any sugar. Me and Saul disagree on the recipe, actually. So I think 1 banana to 1 egg is perfect. So say we're using 4 bananas, we should put 4 eggs in, mash it together, and literally that's the recipe. It's as simple as that. Sometimes we add a little bit of protein powder. I think we'll do that today, won't we? A little bit of protein powder. And yeah, just fry them up in the pan. And it's so yummy. Doesn't look very yummy right now, but trust me, it's super yummy. And then the protein powder that we're going to be using is this one. I think it's just an Amazon one. It was called Amfit Total. And yeah, it's salted caramel flavour. So this makes the pancakes taste even sweeter. Some good mashing skills there. So.
Cheers, thank you. I'm
Top masher.
Let's get mashed.
Let's get mashed. And of course, we can't forget Loki's dinner, can we? Sit down then. There you go. There you go. There you go. He likes to have a little investigate first before he actually eats it. So the mixture is ready. Pop it in the pan. And then just pop it on a lowish heat, really, like a medium heat.
Yeah, you don't want to burn it. You can always grill the top if you
can't flip it.
can't flip it, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much my issue with this recipe. I'm not a very good flipper. You make it look easy, darling.
Years of tossing.
Years of being a tosser, basically. Really come forward and helped you, hasn't it? And there we go. We should have enough for probably like 2 or 3 each. So, nom nom nom. Let's try them.
Good.
Super yummy.
Good.
Yummy.
Because you know what happens if you complain. Okay, I'll be a good boy.
So breakfast is done, and I think we've decided we're going to go and do a little bit of a session at the gym, aren't we, darling?
Yes, we are.
I'm going to do a leg session. Don't know what Saul's going to do because
I came off my bike the other day and well, I insert a picture here and you can be the judge of that.
Yeah.
Kind of hurt myself a little bit.
it's not good. So yeah, he's definitely not going to be doing.
But we can do some other stuff.
Legs, but anyway, we're not going to be taking the camera with us just because there's actually still a mask policy here in Spain, so we are going to be wearing a mask during our workout. So I think we just take the phone, get a few shots of that, and we'll insert a few clips of our session. It's all struggling away, and then we'll come back for about lunchtime and see what we want to do next. Driven to the gym because we're basically lazy. And it's so hot outside,
It's really hot and the car's got a haircut.
I know, yeah, but now we're gonna go in and probably sweat some more. Masks will be on, unfortunately, but yes. You ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Oh, I am.
That was such
I was born ready.
perfect timing. He's so ready.
Yeah. Hot. Very, very
Session
hot.
completed.
Ready for a beer now?
That's what it's all about. Hello.
Oh, what's he got?
Hello. God, he's got 2 balls. He doesn't know which one he wants to bring us. Like, which ball? Which ball are you gonna get? Which ball are you gonna get? Huh? Okay. Do you want to go to the beach? Do you want to go to the beach? He thinks he's really funny because I asked him to get a can of lemon out of the fridge to take to the beach, and this is what I get.
I didn't know you meant a can of lemonade. I thought you said a can and lemon. It's a can and a lemon.
Never a dull moment, is there?
He's got to be more specific. You have too many treats and you become fatty pumpkin. Come here then. Stay. Get it. Yeah.
Oh, he's a good boy.
Yeah.
He is. Are you ready to go to the beach then? Let's go. I'm not taking
Don't
this.
take any more of these. Give a little fatty bum bum, you will. Come on, let's go.
Right, let's go.
He's had the big bag.
Also, I get a lot of questions about SPF and what I use on a daily basis. So I always use the Ultras. This is like the Factor 50 cream. And this is great. I just pop that on in the morning, and then when I want to like reapply it, like now, before I go to the beach, it's obviously really important to make sure at least like your face is in Factor 50. They do this spray on one, and it's clear. And yeah, I just popped that over my makeup. It does say on the back, don't spray it on your face. But I think it's fine as long as you just don't breathe it like indirectly. So yeah, that's what I use over the top of my makeup, and it doesn't ruin it, doesn't budge it. Yeah, it's great. Not sponsored, but that's what I use. So fucking hell.
Let's go round again. One more time. Whee!
So
Okay, we're good.
it's awful. So obviously we can't go to the main beach with Loki, but there is a little spot that hasn't got any sand, and the floor stays pretty cool during the day, and he can get into the water pretty much straight out the car. So we've been there like a couple of times on like really hot days, and it's absolutely fine, because obviously you're always a little bit worried taking like a dog out in this heat, but as long as you like know where you're going and stuff, it's all good. So yeah, it's a nice little spot. It's not on the main beach obviously, because he's not allowed. Like dogs are not allowed on the main beaches in Spain, especially in the middle of the season. So yeah, that's where we're gonna head to now. Hot everywhere else. It's nice to be by the sea. I think I'm gonna go in for a quick swim. So just back from the beach, and I thought I'd just get quickly changed and refreshed. You know that like horrible feeling when you come off the beach and it's just like sticky and you just feel like dirty. So straight in the shower, got dressed, and now we're kind of getting ready to go out. I've got this Shein dress on, you might have seen in my haul. Absolutely love this. It's so nice for this kind of temperature. It is still so hot, guys. Like the sun is still out so much. Yeah, it's hard to know kind of what to wear, because obviously it's going to go into the evening soon. But yeah, I'm just excited to go out into the city and show you a few bits of Alicante. So we finally made it. We're in Alicante. Just sat down at this nice little taberna, having a left. The guy just made a little joke about how big the beer was, so we're not sure how big the beer is going to be.
Let's be a big beer.
Yeah, to be honest, like we haven't had a beer yet, and it was a hot journey. We're like pretty warm.
If it's not a big beer, it's not a funny joke. No. You know what I mean?
If he brings like a shot of beer now, we will be very, very sad. So yes, sit down, have a nice drink, and I think we're going to go and check out like a Mexican later.
Yep, for sure.
Get some Mexican food, that's my absolute favourite. And maybe some tequila. You never know. So we ordered our beer, and we're not quite sure what beer we got because
I'm pretty sure left's a blonde.
Yeah, I think
I've had a lot of left.
Left is a
blonde, yeah,
but it tastes alright. If I can't drink it, Saul can. He loves the stout, so he'll be alright. 2 beers for
extra
Saul.
big, doubly happy.
Bells are ringing.
Bells are ringing.
Bells are ringing.
I'm still looking for someone chasing sheep down the street. Like, oh look, what's going on?
I switched up my drink for an Aperol. I did. I drank half of it. So we are just off to find a Mexican restaurant. We found a place called Taco Taco. Got good ratings.
Yeah.
Excited to
and
eat.
This street is full of mushrooms.
It is. It's got so many mushrooms everywhere. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. So we've had very, nice tacos here. And to be honest, I am just so
night.
Yeah, I'm just going to call it a night. To be honest, there is still a curfew in place here, so we can't actually stay out that much longer, which is so bad. Hopefully we can come back and have a full night in Alicante, but I hope you've enjoyed our vlog and seeing a little bit of our, day-to-day life of basically walking dogs and eating Mexican food, but that's who we are.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
See you in the next one. I love you so much.
Bye bye.